How does Baxter Shipping makes your move hassle-free? Experience Baxter Shipping like never before, a real-time glimpse into our world of seamless moving and relocation services. Baxter Shipping handles local and international relocations with expert care by sea, land, and air. We manage all necessary paperwork and documentation. Our professional packing and picking services guarantee that your items are securely packed and handled with care. We provide durable packing materials, sturdy boxes, and high-strength packaging solutions to ensure maximum protection for your shipments. Our secure warehousing and storage solutions keep your belongings safe and ready for delivery when needed. Our experienced crew and dependable transport ensure a smooth, door-to-door moving experience, on time, every time. We are more than just movers. Our team helps with unloading, organizing, and making your new space feel like home. From setting up furniture to small handyman tasks like curtain hanging. Artwork and mirror installation. Electrical work and minor repairs, we've got you covered. Our services include all automobile relocation, residential and household move, office and commercial relocation, pet relocation, and luxury or fragile item shipment. Baxter Shipping, moving forward, together.